Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for FTSE100 and Germany40. Last week as expected, as predicted, I told that first trading session of the week we might see a good drop and then it may bounce back. Why? Because probably all the indicators are oversold and then we can see a good retracement. That is what has happened. Germany40 achieved 12,430 and FTSE100 went below its crucial support at 6,800 and then bounced back nicely. I hope you all profited from the predictions and analysis. And those who are new to the channel, let me share that I also provide my daily analysis for FTSE100 and Germany40, and this analysis I share along with the global markets and commodities which gets released with the before the Asia session opens and early in the day. So do watch that. Definitely it sets the tone for the day. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the analysis with FTSE100. First, let's talk about the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you can find this zone, how critical it was for FTSE100. This zone at 7,000 to 7,200. It has traded for multiple weeks and months in this zone 7,000 to 7,200. Now again falling back in this zone. So yes, it has shown a good breakout, and whenever we have seen such breakout towards 6,800, it has again bounced back. But these are not normal times, these are wilder times. We can expect it to continue trade below these levels again. So yes, this zone is very important. That is what we have said, and it is again come back to this zone after looking at a good drop. So this is what we are talking about. I told very clearly 6,800 is a very good resistance. It achieved this, bounced back from this level. See, previously it was a very good resistance for the upside move. Now it is a very good support for the downside move. Now if it breaks 6,800, how far it could go? That is a question. Now look at this. See, previously this was the rally retracement. After this rally, this zone is yet to be covered. This rally is yet to be covered off, and yes, it has come back to this. If it breaks this zone, the next support level will only come into picture at 6,500 zone. So 6,500 zone, this zone is going to be very important for FTSE100. Now at the same time, now let's have a look at the near term charts. On the near term charts, you will find that, see how beautiful it is from the fall you can say fall pattern. I consider this as waterfall pattern where it continues to drop and gives you bigger red candle. I told that this is going to happen for FTSE100. It precisely has happened the same. So for next week, if you see it trading above 7,200, yes, that is the time where you can expect that it is going to go bullish. Once it goes beyond 7,200, specifically 7,250, then yes, that is a confirmation of reversal. Else it can achieve 7,200, 7,250 and drop again. So now on the downside, either it can come back till towards 6,950 or achieve lower lows. This time the lows are going to be wilder and it is going to hit 6,700 levels if it continues to drop. However, I suspect that it can try to go till there, but these are markets and wilder times, anything is possible. So only reversal confirmation is above 7,250. Now look at the monthly charts. Still there is a couple more weeks for the month to go, but look at this on the monthly charts. Clearly it is, see how beautiful this support at 7,000 level was. It has sustained this level for month, increasing constantly. Now it is trading below. First it has broken this channel and traded below, and it is again fallen back in this zone. So I'll be watchful of this zone again, 7,000 to 7,200, before it tries to decide a direction. And if it sustains below 7,000, definitely it is going to be a bearish indication for FTSE100. Now how far this could go? See, still there is lot much to cover till here at 6,500. There is lot much of ground to cover for FTSE100 till 6,500. It can continue to drop till there. This is just my expectation, but looking forward to this. If you find this, now let's have a look more closely into this. See, this was the resistance previously at 6,800, and we have seen multiple candles getting bounced back or getting reversed from this zone. Now this time it has gone and breached below this indication, below this support, indicated that still there is bearishness and it can continue with this bearish momentum for little long. However, this is the monthly candle and this is the second only second bearish, and you can see 7,500 to 6,800, almost 10% it is covered in first 2 weeks itself. Probably 10% is a good figure for a index, is a good drop for an index, and possibly it may try to now trade within this zone. only reversal confirmation. See, 7400 definitely is going to be a stronger resistance for FTSE 100 for any further rise for the month of March, and I don't expect that it is going to trade beyond 7400 for this month. But these are markets beyond me. My expectation doesn't matter to markets, so don't go by this. But however, I expect that probably it may try to remain below 7400, and yes, it may try to remain below 7000. That is also my expectation, that probably it may try to again go back below 7000 levels. Now look at this. See, FTSE 100 neither rose that much compared to other indices when the rally was there, neither it is going to drop as much as what other indices are going through. And that is why I say 6800 definitely is going to be good support. Breaking this, I'll be little bearish on FTSE 100. Breaking this at 6800 again next week, you can expect it to drop towards 6710 and 6600, which is going to be strong support, and then 6500 towards the month can be achieved. So trade with caution. Now this is just on the weekly and monthly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts, which will suggest. Now look at the daily charts first. First, just forget this candle. This is a technical glitch here. This is just a duplicate candle. Now previous candle, first understand, try to find out what the previous candle has suggested. It has achieved higher highs, it has achieved lower lows. Now the pivot is anyways at around 7160 level, 7180 level. This zone at 7180 definitely going to be stronger resistance. Any move next week beyond 7180, definitely it may try to take it towards 724050, and beyond that it will try to cover this zone till 7400 levels, which is going to be a stronger resistance. Also, now look at this, it closed in red. So red candle, then another red candle, though it is a candle of decision. Next week, if you see it trading below 7050, you can take a short entry. Once it draws below 7050, again it is going to give you a drop till towards 6950, 6910 and 6850, 6800 levels can also be expected in the coming days. So yes, as I shared, a long entry above 7180, a short entry below 7050 can be taken, where we can expect it to rise or drop accordingly. But let's see whether the indicators are suggesting the same, and how does the indicators are doing here. Let's have a look at this. Now the FTSE 100 definitely trading below the 2050. This is the 100 period moving average, this is the 20 period moving average, the green one the simple moving average, and the exponential moving average. Now this zone is definitely giving it a stronger resistance, that is 7250 and 7300 levels. So yes, this is the 20 period moving average, which definitely will provide a stronger resistance for any further up move, and hence we have to be little bit cautious. Only if it breaks 7300, you can expect it to rise, once else it may continue with the drop. See, trading below 20-50-100 moving average indicating stronger bearishness, that for 100 period or 100 days moving average, 50 days moving average, 20 days, it is trading below, all indicating strong bearish momentum in markets. Only reversal beyond 7300 is something which is indicative that markets are trying to reverse. Also on the daily charts, you can find the stochastic looking downwards. Probably it may converge, crossover, and again enter into oversold zone, and hence 6800, 6600 zone can be achieved again probably. MACD lines on the flip side trying to converge and crossover were divergent for little long, and let's see if it tries to give a rise beyond 7180 and 7250. Probably this may converge, crossover, and again it will enter into bullish zone. Right now it is running parallel and still on sell side. RSI is comfortable. So this is all of the analysis, and now let me give my verdict and trading levels for next week to you. First, let's talk about where to take a long entry. I will recommend you to take a long entry at 7180. Once it breaks 7180, the next target is 7200, which is going to be a good resistance, and 7250. Till here, it has got a stronger resistance. 7280 also strongest resistance. Even if it has to rise, I don't expect that it is going to break 7280 any point of time next week. But these are markets, anything is possible. Beyond this, I will confirm this as reversal. Next target is 7320, 7350, and 7400. It can rise, but I don't expect. But these are markets beyond you and me, and I will only trade as per the levels beyond my assumption and beyond my wish list. So trade as per the levels. And now where to go short? So you can go short at 7040, almost 140 points. That is almost 2% of the market. I will be keeping as a cushion. It may try to trade sideways between these two levels below 7050, 7000, which is going to be a stronger support. After this it will directly hit 6950, 6900, 6840 and 6800. Till here it has got a stronger support. Probably this time if it breaks below 6800, directly it will look forward to 6750 and 6700 levels. If not this week, then next week, but yes, it can drop till here. So see, from 7100 to 6700, almost it is a 5% drop, and probably it can drop till there this week. And yes, we have to trade with caution. Only take a short entry at 7040, beyond which you can expect it to drop. And a good long entry is a confirmed long entry is beyond this. Below, till the time it is below 7250 and 7280, we can expect it to drop again this month, where it is definitely going to head towards 6800 levels. So take your positions accordingly. This is all for FTSE100. Now let's have a look at Germany40. Now how beautifully Germany40 breezed this level at 13,000. I told you very clearly that below 13,000 we are going to look forward to a good drop, and the next support level at around 12,500 will come into picture. Below that it is going to drop heavily. It did drop till 12,430 and did see a high at 14,500. Also closed the week at 13,500. Now also look at the long term weekly charts here. If you look in the nearest past, you will find that, see, first of all, this was the channel in which it was trading. Here it has got the reversal. Now trading outside this channel, it is trying to create something of its own, maybe lower highs or probably higher lows. It is trying to do here. But yes, this zone at 13,000 is very important for Germany40. Trading below 13,000, definitely it may try to come back till towards 11,000 in coming weeks and months. I had told you in my previous analysis also, these are markets, it can do wonders. But yes, we have to be very cautious, because this zone, you can see 12,000 to 13,000 levels. This zone between 12,000 to 13,000 is a stronger support zone. We have seen previously consolidating here. It may try to come back till 11,800 and then bounce back. This is one probability on the weekly charts, but how far it will take, let's have a look how long it will take and how far it can go. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, previous candle, let's first talk about the previous monthly candle. On the previous month's candle, you can find 15,700 to 14,000, almost 1,700 points. Now 14,400. If you count 1,700 points, it will be at around 12,500. So I think 12,700. So I think the lows have been done. 14,400, 500 to 12,800, 700 zone. I had told that this is going to happen. It has achieved, in fact, further lows. So I think the lows for the month are done, and probably it may try to trade within this zone itself. So yes, there could be a good support which might come into picture at 13,000. There is definitely a stronger support lying there, and in fact it can try to close the month at around 12,700, 600 zone. So probably I don't see much of a move. Yes, these are wilder days, so it can drop and it can rise at the same time. It is going to trade sideways for a next couple of weeks. That is what is my observation. However, next week if you see it dropping below 13,400, definitely you can take a short entry there, and you can expect it to drop again towards 13,000 and 12,700 and 12,500 levels. Now coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you can see higher highs and you can see lower lows. So it is trying to consolidate in some, it is trying to consolidate within this zone, and that is why I say it may try to come back again till towards 13,300, 200 and a high at 14,100. So probably these are wilder days, and it may try to continue trading within this zone before looking forward to a breakout, either ways upside or downside. A good confirmatory short or good confirmatory bearish trade is below 13,000 levels. The next support will come into picture at 12,750 700 zone. So if it continues to drop, probably you can look after, you can again expect it to drop till 12,700 750 zone. Else it can try to consolidate a bit and then give a breakout on the upside. Probably that is what can be expected. Now look at the indicators here, whether our observation is coupled with the indicators or not. Now look at this. This is the 20 period moving average here, giving it a stronger resistance at 14,000 levels, which are going to be definitely stronger resistance levels, and trading below the 20-50-100 moving average, indicating the possible bearishness right now available in the markets. And till the time it remains below 14,100, probably you can expect it to continue to drop. Any move beyond 14,000 levels is a good indication that it is trying to reverse. The next target 14,600 800 zone can be achieved. Look at the DPO is trading into red. The stochastic trying to converge and cross over. Once it crosses over, it may try to again bring it back down on the downside towards oversold region, taking it towards 12,700 600 levels. Now look at the stochastic. It is just crossed over on the buy side. This is the MACD lines which is just crossed over on the buy side, indicating that possibly Germany40 is trying to enter into bullish zone, and hence any breakout next week, if you see it trading about 13,600, or rather I will say 13,650, you can take a long entry. You can expect it to rise 13,800 13,920 14,000 14,100 and then drop again from there. That is what we can expect, trading near to the bottom. So this is what is the observation here with the help of indicators. Now let me sum up my observation, what I had given, what I had seen, and let me give you the verdict along with the trading levels for Germany40. So first let's talk about the levels to buy. Any move beyond 13,660, you can go long here at 13,660. Next week you can expect after this it may try to rise till towards 13,800, rather first target 13,740, then 13,800. This may provide a little resistance. Beyond that 13,920 will come into picture, and after 13,920 it will directly land towards 14,000 and strongest resistance at 14,100. So it can rise till there. Beyond any move beyond 14,100, definitely it will try to look back into 14,400 and 14,600. This is going to be strongest resistance for any upside move for next week. These are wilder days. It can drop and rise at the same time, and for one day it can give you a stronger drop, next day it can rise strongly. So be very cautious, trade only with levels. Now let's have a look where to go short. So right now it closed the week at 13,550 levels. Any short entry is only at 13,400. If it drops below 13,400, then you can continue. You can expect that it is going to continue with the drop. Next target is 13,180, 13,040, 13,000. Till here it has got stronger support. Below this I will expect it to hit 12,880, and below 12,880 you can again expect 12,700, 12,500. It has got stronger support till here. Be very cautious while taking a position. It can bounce back again from these levels. So take your positions accordingly. Again, it might swing a bit. Any long confirmation, any bullish confirmation for Germany40 is above 13,800, where it can trade above on upside, where it can break above on the upside towards 14,100, 14,400 levels. And on the downside, if it continues to drop, it may try to get a strong support from 12,700 500 zone before looking forward to a reversal, and you can take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Join my Telegram channel or reach out to me via email for any of your trading or training related queries. Also, don't repeat the same mistakes which 99.99% of the traders commit. First invest in learning, then reap the profits from the markets, rather than thinking of that. First, 99.99% of the traders are smart enough on their own. They think that they have conquered the world before they lose out everything, and then they invest in learning. So first invest in learning, then get the profits from the markets. My next mentorship batch is starting on next week. Be a part of this. Reach out to me for details of the mentorship batch. Also, if you want to join my premium membership channel, you can reach out to me via Telegram. The signals provided, definitely you can earn 1000 points a week easily. So reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week. Thank you.